Hi guys, welcome back to Auto Portal. This here is the 2024 Maruti Suzuki Ertiga VXI mid version. This is by far the most value for money version of the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga, and we'll be going in depth about this particular version of this 7-seater MPV from Maruti Suzuki. So do stay tuned till the end of the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Auto Portal and also turn on the bell icon so that you keep getting our interesting updates from time to time. So first things first, let's look at the key fob. So we have a basic key fob with remote central locking. We have two buttons here, one for lock and one for unlock. The Ertiga is powered by the 1.5 liter K series K15C naturally aspirated petrol engine, which churns out about 101 bhp of power and 136 Newton meters of torque. Up front, we have a conventional halogen projector headlamp setup, but the good thing here is that they've offered projectors from the base LXI version. The grille is chrome based, which actually doesn't look as basic and it looks pretty nice, complements the overall front appeal. And we have a dummy housing for fog lamps. These can be installed from Maruti Suzuki Genuine Accessories. It's not a very costly thing. Tire size happens to be 185/65 R15, and we do get wheel caps. They are just not installed in this particular vehicle. These ORVMs are electrically adjustable as well as retractable. The B as well as the C pillars are completely blacked out, and the door handles are body colored. The door pad is again quite basic. We have this grey element running here. These are the controls for the power windows, and as I mentioned, the ORVMs are electrically adjustable as well as retractable. Guys, you already might be aware of Boodmo. Boodmo is the one-stop solution for all your car spare part needs. Be it any car in the Indian market, all their spare parts are available on their website and their application, which is available on both Android and iOS devices. In fact, you can choose the product according to the price you're willing to pay, so you have that flexibility as well. Go ahead and download their application or visit their website. The Ertiga VXI gets 2 airbags, ABS, EBD, electronic stability control as standard across all variants, and the seats are fabric based but not height adjustable. Okay, so in the interiors, we have this beige color scheme, which actually makes the cabin feel a lot more airier and premium at the same time. Let's look at the steering wheel first. So we have the typical Maruti Suzuki flat bottomish steering wheel. So we have steering mounted audio controls on the left hand side. In fact, we have controls to call, accept, decline, and also connect your phone via Bluetooth to this tuned-in music system right here. So we'll get to that in a bit. This steering wheel is tilt adjustable. We have controls on the left for wipers, and on the right we have controls for headlamps. In fact, we also have electronic stability program as well as hill hold standard across all variants, and this here is the button for idle, start, stop. The MID is rather basic, but we have a color TFT display which can be toggled through the sticks that we have on either sides. We have a tachometer as well as a speedometer gauge, and this here is the normal petrol version. So we also get Maruti Suzuki's smart hybrid technology. So you can see that graphic right here in the multi-information display. When we come to the center console, we have this tuned-in music system which has 4 speakers in this VXI variant. Obviously no wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, no Apple CarPlay, Android Auto of any sorts, because this is not an infotainment system. We have electrostatic buttons here, so you can switch it on and off using these buttons, and obviously you can control it using the buttons on the steering wheel as well. We have a manual climate control unit, 12-volt charging socket, a USB and aux source. In fact, we have these cooled AC vents, so in case you keep a can or a glass here, it will remain cool. 5-speed manual gearbox, manual handbrake, and we have this typical 3-layer dashboard that we've also seen in the XL6. So the XL6 is based on the Ertiga, so we have that similarity right here. The MID is manually dimming, and we have a decent sized glove box. So the rear door has a similar tone. We have beige plastics right here. We have a chrome based door handle which actually looks nice, breaks the monotony of the single tone interiors. We have a small cubby hole right here, and we have the 2 speakers for the rear passengers on the rear doors with a bottle holder. Now, in order to ingress into the third row, you have folding options. So you can fold these seats, and these seats can be split into a 60-40 split. We have a 12-volt charging socket, and we have a rear blower unit for the rear passengers. Now, the rear fascia might remind you of certain Volvo cars. That's obviously a pun intended, but yes, the car looks quite balanced in terms of overall design. Tail lamp cluster is LED based, but not completely LED based. So we have certain LED elements in the upper half of the tail lamp cluster. Otherwise, the rest of the cluster is completely halogen. No rear wiper defogo unit. We have a badging which says Ertiga, and we have 4 parking sensors on offer. The boot space is pretty decent even with all the 3 rows up, and we also get this hidden storage compartment, so you can conceal a few luggage items below the floor bed. These seats are easily foldable, and these can be folded into a flat bed, so that is pretty convenient. The insulation is also top notch, so all the loose wires, sheet metal has been covered over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Auto Portal.